Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a focused niche that balances passion and market demand, because relevance drives traffic. Once chosen, register a domain and create your Blogger account. Then connect the custom domain via DNS so your site looks professional. Immediately publish 2 3-pillar articles and 5 supporting posts to give search engine substance. Make sure to add Google Analytics and Search Console now, since early tracking shows what works and where to optimize. Now you scale content and traffic by optimizing every post for on-page SEO. Use clear titles, meta descriptions, headings, alt text, and internal links. Those elements help rankings. Once done, commit to a publishing rhythm, such as 1 to 2 quality posts weekly for at least 3 months, because consistency builds authority. Also, make sure to promote each piece through social channels, build an email list, guest post on related blogs, and repurpose content into short videos to attract different audiences and backlinks. You monetize by layering revenue. Start with contextual ads and targeted affiliate links, then add sponsored posts, and when traffic stabilizes, offer digital products or services. Make sure to test pricing and calls to action with simple A/B tests so conversion improves over time. Once revenue starts, reinvest in content and technical improvements. If things go wrong, slow traffic, or low earnings, check analytics for top pages, audit SEO and page speed, and fix UX blockers. Often small technical fixes restore growth quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.